Welcome back, guys. WLFI channel. Today I would like to show you the zone of interest. We're more than okay, I guess, trying to carry the knives on World Liberty Finance. Let's dive in. So, guys, first of all, this is just a madness because the FDV 22 billion after launch, 22 cents, and only 24% tokens unlock it. Market capitalization 5.59. Compare the market cap and FDV. I'm not a fan of all these stories with the Trump token, with this one. And definitely, guys, you already know where this token will be in the next few weeks, I guess. Based on this model, guys, we usually use the bid get because they provide usually the lowest listing prices. This is a 13 cents 43, 11.09. It's the first zone of interest. So let's mark this one. I highly recommend you go and check free educational video how to work with this model, why this model works. Here, this is going to be the zone where we need to fix some swing trades. Next one, the lowest point of zone of interest here, guys. You can add like 4 limit orders, like 1, 2, 3, 4. Average entry could be like 10 or 9. But guys, be careful with this token. I don't see anything positive around. Like speculation, yes, definitely all coins, guys, during the bull run and the altcoin season when the BTC dominance will be under 50%, will skyrocket to the moon. But guys, build your entry and the exit plan, especially because people trap it in a lot of tokens, not because they don't know where to buy, they don't know when to out of the tokens. Let's copy the contract of this token and double check the insiders on the bubble maps. First of all, it's good that this token launched on Ethereum here. How it even possible, guys? So this wallet hold 15% of emission. This one is 2.2. Imagine 500,000 just from the air. This one, the value of these tokens, if this guy just decide to sell by market, 3.57 billion. Of course, it's impossible to sell by market and get all of that amount of money in USD because we get a slippage. But it's weird, guys. Here's the connections between the wallets. Even this cluster hold over than around like million in USD. All right, got it. I would like to show you also the comparison with the Trump token. So the zone of interest for Trump, absolutely relevant. So absolutely, you need just one single daily candle close, to determine the zones were more than okay to try speculate with this token. This zones, guys, I showed you exactly after listing here in January 2025, and we led it to that zones till penny. Of course, it's not all the time playing out till penny, but guys, it works. It works like a clock. So let's imagine World Liberty Finance will drop the same way like the Trump token. So we dump it around 1,000% gains. Why I'm saying 1,000, not like 900%? Because after 900%, we can dump another 900%, and people count the drops totally wrong. We need to count how low we drop. So we need to out at a break even from that highest entry. So yes, we dump at 992. I would not surprise if the 992 will be exactly from this bottom here to the high, and even here like 992. So this one approximately, if we drop to 6 cents 61, I would be not surprised if we drop to 6 cents 66. Everything possible. So the bounce should be to 67 cents. And guys, you understand, right? So with the $1 price, the market capitalization will be 24 billion. So it's just a mind blowing, guys. 24 billion at $1 price. And from now, $1, it's only if you count and wait some crazy returns, guys, it's only 344%. So, all right, let's count, for example, if this token dump to okay zone to buy here. The new all-time high could be like 80 cents, for example, 624%. Nice one, nice one. But I guess we will drop much, much lower. That's why, guys, zone of interest, absolutely still the same. No makes sense to scream about, oh, no, we will never drop that low, guys. The same story people show it here. So just be ready for these zones. If this token will not drop and you feel comfortable to buy at 22 cents now, you can do this one. Now we rejected zero level. Everything I think will be delivered by algorithm to the zone of interest. The first one, second one, and to the last one. 775, 628. It's just a matter of time when. So yes, I'm not recommend you to hop into this token, especially when you see the WLF labs with the market makers and the bakers. Wow. And the Troll Foundation. Wow. What a bunch of amazing investors here. The main Justin Sun, the guy, the William, in crypto space, and the most dramatic market maker in the industry. So guys, be careful with this token. And like speculation, yes, of course, would be good to start buying here. 13, 43, 11, 7, and 6. Nothing more. Take a look. Also, we can see, of course, definitely we can see something like this one and go down. Till 15 or 17 September when the Fed should post the new rate, the card rate, or take a pause, or I don't know. Or go to the fall, to zero rate. We can't know what they will do. I guess we will see something around the zone of interest. So where the zones here by time, let's add it here. Here, 17 September. So we got a time. We got a time for that. So we can see the crazy price action, guys, even like this one, and recover back. After that, yes, maybe we're going to stop at $1. So what if, for example, we drop to the last zone of interest and hit 24 billion market capitalization? It will be like 1,400% gains. Nice one, nice one. The good returns. That's why, guys, build a plan when to in and when to out. Let's double check now with the indicator set, just the local time frames. No data on 4 hour time frame, 1 hour time frame here. This is a accumulation. I think we will drop a little bit lower to 1910. And after that, we'll see some bounce because now we probably will form that divergence. So need to one see drop, and after that we'll form a divergence at least in 1 hour time frame. Here, direction, no signal for accumulation. 30 minutes time frames, guys. Some guys accumulate this token, I guess, just to distribute it more and more for the retails. So based on ADZ on 30 minutes time frame, local speculation is the local accumulation. Direction, no signal to buy. No, not yet. Take a look the market mood. I guess on 1 hour time frame, still A3 on 1 hour time frame, 30 minutes time frame, some disbeliefs, So by end of this week, yes, they can put the price once again to 26, 93, 28, and even 35. But I'm not a fan of that type of risky speculation. Money power, guys, take a look. RSI bullish divergence, MACD bullish divergence, some bounce like 3%, I guess. It was a local speculation. 9%, nice one. 1 hour time frame, nothing, guys, nothing good. So I have nothing to add. If there is no bullish signals, I can't just show you up only charts just because it's attractive content, guys. 1 hour time frame signal to buy was here. We bounced it just like local 12%, 30 minutes time frame bounce, recommendation close position. Nothing good. Technically, yes, of course, guys, we can form, this type of triangle, so local one here, and we should go higher. But we can drop also down. That's why I'm not a fan of this classic trend lines order patterns. Everything just going by plan anyway, with us or without us, by market makers plan, what they provided us with algorithm. 30-minute time frame, no data based on take profit indicator. 15-minute time frame, guys, buy line now it's 15.35. For my value, it's 11.58. Take profit 30.67. Exit line 34.55. We're in the middle, so better, guys, skip, because it's just a buy lock. You know, by logic, we should drop lower, but by luck, you know, you can get a liquidation in both way. So if you want to speculate local one, so stop loss over here, 5% with second leverage, it's 10% down, stop loss, you know. Take profit, it could be here, 30%, so 60% down. 10% against 60. If it's okay, risk ratio for you, you can open short. So guys, I hope you like this video. Write please in a comment what you think about this stock and in general. If you would like to trade with my customer Chris, what I showed in this video, just write me DM. Don't forget, join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.